How do you know you're wasting money on your protein powder and that it's downright awful? But those are just the obvious ways. Look, you probably started taking protein because you wanted to recover faster and build lean muscle. You know, get ripped and reduce that after workout soreness. But unfortunately, most proteins head down the toilet and to the sewer rats without you even knowing it. When you drink protein powder, your body breaks it down into amino acids. Those amino acids are what actually helps your muscles recover and grow. But unfortunately, a lot of people struggle to digest large amounts of protein and absorb those amino acids. In fact, studies show you can lose 75 to 80% of those amino acids during digestion. That means a staggering 75 to 80% of the muscle recovery, muscle building power of protein heads to the sewer rats. Even worse, if your body doesn't digest protein well, you can end up with painful protein stomach problems. But there's good news. You don't have to send the best part of your protein down the toilet, waste your hard-earned money, or worry about those painful protein stomach problems. Because now there's a protein your body can digest. Whey Awesome Sauce is a great tasting 100% pure protein powder with a special digestive enzyme blend. The digestive enzyme blend is specifically formulated to help your body digest more protein and absorb more amino acids. So when you take Whey Awesome Sauce, you're gonna get more muscle building, muscle recovery benefits, and you won't find yourself running for the toilet or clearing out a room. Whey Awesome Sauce has 5,147 milligrams of BCAAs and added electrolytes. It's low sugar, low carb, and has no fillers. Get the best body of your life. You don't have to waste any more money on protein powder your body can't digest. It's time you recover faster, build more muscle, and reduce that after workout soreness. Click the link now and get your Whey Awesome Sauce today. Plus, our Whey Awesome Sauce comes with our Whey Awesome Guarantee. If you don't love the flavor, if you don't love the way it mixes, if you aren't 100% satisfied for any reason within 60 days of ordering, simply let us know and we'll give you a full refund. Look, Whey Awesome Sauce is formulated by science. It's backed by doctors and proven to work by professionals. It's made right here in the USA in a GMP FDA registered facility, and it's third-party tested and scrutinized by outside certified labs. These labs have nothing to do with our company. Their one job is to make sure Whey Awesome Sauce is pure, potent, and can help your body. And we're pretty certain you're gonna love Whey Awesome Sauce just like these people. So it's your choice. You can buy those other proteins, or you can get more muscle recovery, more muscle building benefits, and reduce that after workout soreness with a protein your body can digest. Go ahead, click the link now and get your bottle of Whey Awesome Sauce today.